All right, everyone, welcome back, and we're going to take a look at DOT on the 3-day chart here. Looks like DOT is getting stuck at the 236 at 758, so that's going to be your price to beat to the upside. Let me actually see here. Got to keep remembering that we're on the 3-day chart here, so we're going to draw another fib right here. Let me see here. I want to kind of do this on the video. That way you guys can kind of see what I'm doing if you're trying to learn yourself how to do these Fibonacci retracements. So we went from that low to that high there. If you wanted to do a macro fib, you could go from this low to this high. So it looks like, and when you draw these little macro fibs, you can clearly see why the price is bouncing at all these little price points. So, without this fib here, let me move that again. You can see that this thing's just like in the middle of no man's land with nowhere. It's just bouncing on nothing. But in reality, if you take and draw your fib here, and we do this from that low to that high, you can clearly see that the price is bouncing on the bottom of this fib at 6. So it looks like you just lost 6. You're retagging it for resistance, so you can't get back over 6. So it looks like your next stop is down here at 532 where you tagged here. But the fact that you lost 6 here, and we are in a downtrend, so this is your support fib over here. It looks like DOT is headed for this 448. Remember, we are on the 3-day chart here, so this is going to take a little time to play out. So you're looking at a potential 23% drop on DOT down to 448 at the moment. So RSI is just kind of doing nothing. Doesn't look like it wants to push higher at the moment. The Heikin-Ashi candles are printing very bold red with no wicks. So it looks like the price wants to go low. It looks like the trend wants to continue according to the Heikin-Ashi candle. So you can see this huge gap in the EMAs here. It got a little smaller, but it's starting to get wide again. So DOT is just in a massive downtrend. It's losing the low here at 6. It already lost it, so it looks like 448 is on the table for DOT, and I don't remember what that was. So DOT looks like it's going to drop 23% to 448, so just kind of watch that there. And like I said earlier, let me get this fib out of the way here. For a move higher, you could bounce here at 532. If that is the case and some volume comes in, you can see the 236 is going to be your first resistance for about a 30% move. So if you bounce at 532, you may shoot up 30% and test this 758 level, which is going to be your first resistance on DOT. But like I said, it's in a massive downtrend. All signs are pointing to down. If we have the RSI start to curl down here, then I would imagine you're going to lose this low and then just start making hitting lower price targets. So yeah, other than that, nothing else to say on DOT here. It's just kind of going down. And we'll leave it at that. So none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.